Morning students, welcome to the maths class after summer break. We have already done unit 1, 2, 3 and 17 before summer break. Now we are going to start unit 4 fractional numbers, which is at page number 44 of our book. In this chapter, our first question is fraction. What is a fraction? Fraction is a part of whole. Fraction is a part of whole. Whole means something which is complete. For example, I am having one chocolate which is to be divided among two, or the same chocolate divided among three. So each part of this chocolate is called a fraction, 1/2 or 1/3. And the upper part of the fraction is called numerator and the lower part of the fraction is called denominator. So fraction is a part of a whole in which upper part is called numerator and the lower part is called denominator. Here are some kinds of fractions. First is equivalent fraction. Equivalent fractions are those which express the value of the same part of a whole. For example, one chocolate is divided among two, or two chocolate divided among four, or three chocolate divided among 6 persons. So these express the value of the same part of a chocolate. So these are called equivalent fractions. The next are improper fractions. What are improper fractions? Fractions whose numerators are greater than the denominators, means the upper part is greater than the lower part. For example, 3/2, 10/7, 19/11. These are called improper fractions. The next are proper fractions. What are proper fractions? Fractions whose numerators are smaller than the denominators. For example, 4/7, 1/5, 3/11. All these are proper fractions. The next are like fractions. Fractions having same denominators. For example, 1/7, 2/7, 9/7. The fractions having same denominators are called like fractions. Next we are having unlike fractions. Fractions having different denominators. For example, 1/2, 2/5, 4/13. These are called unlike fractions. The next we are having unit fractions. Fractions whose numerator equals to 1. For example, 1/2, 1/5, 1/11. All these fractions are called unit fractions. The next we are having is mixed number. Mixed number is a combination of a whole and a proper fraction. 3 1/10. An improper fraction can be written as mixed number. 3 1/10, 1 1/2, 5 2/3. All these are examples of mixed numbers. So these are the type of fractions: equivalent, improper, proper, like, unlike, unit, mixed number. All these types are also given at page number 44 of our book. After this, let's start the review exercise of the chapter. First question we are having is, write next three equivalent fractions. First part is 2/6, 4/12, 6/18. 3 fractions are given. We have to write next 3. How to write? The same multiple of numerator and denominator is to be written here as 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Next will be 2 4s are 2 5s are 2 6s are. In the same way, 6 1s are 6 2s are 6 3s are. Next will be 6 4s are 6 5s are 6 6s are. So 2 4s are 8, 6 4s are 24. 2 5s are 10, 6 5s are 30. 2 6s are 12, 6 6s are 36. These are the equivalent fractions. The same thing you will do in remaining 2 parts. Now come to the next question. Convert the following into improper fractions. We have given some mixed numbers and we have to convert into improper fractions. How to do this? Numerator is multiplied by the whole number, denominator is multiplied by the whole number and then added to the numerator. 5 3s are 15 plus 1 it's 16. So 16 will be numerator and this 5 will remain as it is. Let's see one more example. 33 1 by 3. 33 is multiplied by 3, it's 99 plus this numerator 1 by 3. 99 plus 1 it's 100 by 3. So 33 1 by 3 equals to 100 by 3. In the same way you can do its B and D part. Now the next question is convert the following into a mixed number. It's a converse of question number 2. We have given the improper fractions and we have to make mixed numbers. How to do this? 50 by 7. Divide 50 with 7. We all know how to divide. 7 7s are 49. 1 will left. So we will start from this quotient. This will be whole number. 1 will be numerator and this 7 will be denominator. So 50 by 7 equals to 7 1 by 7. We can also cross check. It's 7 7s are 49 plus 1 50 by 7. Let's see one more example. 78 by 17. How to solve this? 78 will be divided by 17. At the table of 17 when we divide it, 17 4s are 68. It will go at this. 10 will left. Okay. So this quotient will be the whole number 4. The remainder 10 will be the numerator and this will be denominator. So 78 by 17 equals to 410 by 17. Okay, we can also check. 17 4s are 68 plus 10 78 by 17. Okay, this will help you to complete B and C part of the question. Come to next, fill in the blanks. Fractions having same denominators are called dash fractions. We know, we have just discussed about definitions. Fractions having same denominators are called like fractions. Yes. And the next is a fractional number whose numerator is greater than its denominator. A fractional number whose numerator is greater than its denominator is called an improper fraction. Come to next. 1 by 2, 1 by 7, 1 by 11, 1 by 4 and 1 by 3 are called. What is the symmetrical thing we are seeing here? That in all the fractions numerator equals to 1. So these are called unit fractions. Next is 3 1 by 8 is a dash number. What kind of number is this? Yes, this is a mixed number. In the last part we have 8 by 9 equals to dash by 72. Denominator is given but the numerator is missing. So what we will do here? We will check that which multiple of 9 is 72. 9 8s are 72. So the same thing we will do in case of numerator. 8 8s are 64. Yes, so this 8 by 9 equals to 64 by 72. All this about the review exercise of unit 4, and the rest we will do in next lecture. Thank you.